Happy Monday from Svärdsö Nudist Beach. This huge formation of rocks that is very well known for to be a nudist beach. It is 29th of September 2025 and beach number 128 on my Sweden beach adventures. And September is coming to an end, but the beach adventures with Chris continue. And today I'm in Nacka, as I mentioned, in Svärdsö, and obviously there is nobody or very few people on this beach, as it's quite huge. But it's obviously super windy and only 13 degrees Celsius in the air currently. As you can see in the sky, it is mostly clouds, but now the sun appeared out of nowhere. So I'm gonna definitely be using it for my vlog. And yeah, this is the sea, obviously, the Baltic Sea, and it's beautiful piece of nature, untouched nature. Very close to Svårdsö station, which where I took the bus to, as the light rail is under construction now for many years now. So from Svårdsö you can get the bus to Svårdsö, and from there it's around 3 kilometers walk to get here. Quite nice, and half of it is through the forest. And on this side now it's blowing, but on the other side of the nature reserve it is protected by the forest, so I will be going there later to check another nudist beach spot that I used to cycle to. But on this very spot I haven't been since last year, and it's amazing. And this is the it continues along the coast here, the nudist beach, and also up the hill, where you can also find a shield from the wind thanks to the forest, obviously. 13 degrees in the air, as I said. I'm not really sure how much it is in the water, but we're gonna find out soon for sure. And the wind is blowing, as you can see, but that won't stop me from going in for a swim here at Svärdsö. Maybe I can measure the water here, so I can take out the thermometer also. But here it is also deep where I am. What? That was unexpected. I need to be careful here for sure, as it is a bit slippery. Oh my god. See, how will I get my thermometer back now? Yes, that's how it is sometimes in this episode, which adventures continues, because it's pure adventures. Okay, I will need to swim then for the thermometer. So I just need to find a nice way in here. And to battle with the waves as well. Alright, I'm going in anyway. So it's time that we swim here at Svärdsön in the open sea here in Nacka. And the water is going away, so I'm also going in, battling with the waves. Then we say, "Ooh, ready, set, and go!" It's quite nice. Oh, it's super salty. The sun is back. I'm so happy. Look at this majestic place. And we have 15 degrees Celsius in the water, so quite nice and handy indeed when it's cold outside. It is superb indeed. I'm so happy to show you yet another nudist beach spot, and this one is very wild indeed. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful. I'm so happy that the sun is back as well, so I can enjoy fully in my beach adventure here. So yeah, it's time now for me to enjoy a bit more here in the sea before I head back to the other side where there is no wind. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Svärdsö Nudist Beach, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!